There are plenty of ways to express yourself without doing it in a way that will lead people to think this guy is about to hurt somebody.
Iraq, this is during the context of a domestic dispute between a husband and wife. There goes mama splashing in the water, no more fighting with dad, all that stuff.
Every time I write a rhyme, these people think it's a crime for me to say what's on my mind. Y'all remember when Eminem said that in the song? I mean, it's crazy. I mean, people literally take his entertainment lyrics literally. Every time I write a rhyme, these people think it's a crime for me to say what's on my mind. So, welcome to the Evolve. That clip you guys just seen, that clip came from the Supreme Court. And they were literally discussing if Eminem lyrics were serious and why we shouldn't or why we should take them serious. The Supreme Court was discussing if we should take Eminem, out of all people, his lyrics seriously. His entertainment lyrics. It reminds me of another song. It reminds me of something else he said. Y'all remember when Eminem was talking about how half the stuff he just make it up to just try to trigger people? This is what he said.
Should I say I just make it up to make you mad? Kiss my white naked ass. And if it's not a rapper that I make it as,
Anyway, we're not here to talk about that. Welcome guys, welcome to the channel. Today I want to talk about something a little bit more recent. Something that happened, it was between Eminem versus New Zealand. New Zealand. Yeah, that's right. So basically, Eminem's team, they filed a lawsuit against the governing party of New Zealand. Okay guys, let me explain to you a little bit about this lawsuit. Before I do that, I want you guys to get in your mind, okay, you know that we have the Republicans and we have the Democrats here in the United States. And New Zealand, they have the same type of system. Well, their governing party, they are in this lawsuit because of an ad that they put out. Now, you guys know when it comes to election time, the Democrats and the Republicans release ads against the Democrats. The Democrats, they release a smash mouth and throwing the mud at the Republicans. And then you've got people that are running for re-election. They release ads about themselves and like, I'm a good guy. Hope, I want to let you know that hope have come. And I wouldn't worry about a thing. You guys know all these ads the people do? And you know one of my favorite ads of 2018, it comes from this one particular camp that was trying to get young people. So they get a rapper. They get a rapper in their ads. Okay, but I digress. I just want you guys to understand who we're dealing with. It wasn't Eminem just versus another person. No, it was a whole party. In one of their, in one of New Zealand's ad campaign, they decided to use an instrumental of Eminem's famous song, Lose Yourself. But here's the thing, they didn't get Eminem's permission to use the song for their political campaign and their advertisement. And that is why they were hit with a copyright lawsuit against them by the Eminem camp. I mean, because that's serious. If you are using an artist's music in your ad campaign to get people to vote for you, it makes people think that, hey, Eminem supports me. So that is a big deal though. I mean, dildo. No. Okay, listen, guys, stop being immature. I wasn't saying that was a big deal though. No, y'all know, I was saying like, that's serious though. Not like, that's a seriously big deal though. No, guys, K.I.P. Y'all know what, gosh. Now here's a clip of the New Zealand ad campaign in which Eminem's team is suing them for. And you can hear the Lose Yourself instrumental in the background. Here it is.
Right direction. Right now. Our economy is growing faster than Australia and 28 other OECD countries.
Now, the New Zealand, they did have a defense. They did say that, hey, we can use this because we purchase it. We purchased the rights to the music. We purchased it from the Australian Music Library. I did try to go and I looked up the Australian Music Library because I wanted to see how much the whole governing party purchased the rights for Eminem's music to use it in a political campaign. Because I don't know if it's just me, but saying, yeah, I can use this in my video. I brought this from iTunes. $2.99. $2.99. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't find the cost or the music and the actual soundtrack in which they did use. But one of the things that I did find is I found this actual clip of them in the courtroom. Now, what you're about to see is this is Eminem's lawyer. He is presenting the evidence. He is trying to get the judge to hear Lose Yourself, Eminem's version, and then he's going to play the New Zealand version and what they use. And also in this clip, you're going to see the lady and the man, the New Zealand, they're sitting there off to the side. But here's the clip.
I'm now going to play the sound recording which embodies the musical work Lose Yourself.
Look. Okay, wait. We gotta stop right there. Guys, look at her. Look at her. Y'all see that smirk? Y'all see how she slowly looked up? She heard that. As soon as she heard that, y'all know that she an Eminem fan. Y'all know she's like, oh shoot, that's my jam. I gotta keep my composure in this courtroom. And I'm about to spit. Y'all know, I just had to bring that up. All right, let's keep on with the clip.
If you had one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted, one moment, would you capture it? Just let it slip. Yo.
It's so funny. I gotta stop real quick, guys, because it's so funny. Everybody's like frozen in the courtroom, just listening to Lose Yourself. And y'all know the beat is about to drop. We all waiting for the beat to drop. They waiting for the beat to drop. And you could just imagine that when that beat dropped, his palms of sweat. Y'all know when that beat dropped, you can see the whole courtroom go, ah! You know, like that early 2010 challenge. What was it? Y'all know that challenge where you just kind of really chill and then, and then the whole back. Y'all remember that challenge? What was it?
Con los terroristas.
Okay, long story short, guys. Basically, the judge ended up ruling in Eminem's favor. She ruled that yes, this does infringe on their copyrights, and they don't got the right to use Eminem's music. Although they purchased it on the Australian Music Library, that does not justify them using it in a political arena. That does not give them the rights. You still need that. So the judge rewarded Eminem with $600,000 because of that little piece that they used in that 30-second campaign. $600,000. Yeah. Oh, wait, I forgot something. Also, Eminem, he later said he didn't know anything about it. He didn't like initiate it. I mean, his team did that on their own. And he did go on to say, hey, if I get any money from that, after all the expenses and whatnot, whatever come to me, donate it to the Hurricane Harvey relief. And he did, and it came up to about $200,000 that he donated. That's what I want to say. So yeah, good guy M. Good guy M. He should make a song called Good Guy M. I know he got a bad guys, but he should make a good guy. Anyway there, guys, hey, I thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, boy. Guys, we have a lot of fun. I will see you guys in the next episode. As always, remember to KIP, keep it positive. It's gonna be all right. You'll live to see another day. I'm gonna go here, go home, and call it a day. I'll see you. Go home. Deo. Deo. Daylight come on and me want to go home, man. Daylight come on and me want to go home. I don't know why I did that. I don't even know if that has nothing to do with this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Guys, hold up. It's 2019 and there's been an update to this story. There's been an update. You see, after Eminem had won this against the party, he won. They originally gave him $500,000, a little over. But then they broke it down into where he got about $200,000 for this case. But here recently, this just happened a day ago. His lawyers, Eminem, has decided that 200K, that party, they used his music to help make that man elected. So 200K ain't enough. So now they have filed yet another appeal to get the original amount that they were deemed, which is $500,000. So yeah, the case on New Zealand versus Eminem is still ongoing for round 2, or this may be 3. Yeah. All right. Other than that, Eminem is still in New Zealand breaking attendance records and whatnot, doing concerts and all that other good stuff. I'll see you guys next video where we have a Genius episode on R. Kelly is on Genius explaining his lyrics. I'm fighting for my life.